I would like to say, normally we ignore the opportunity because we are looking at Buhle Buhle as a low class thing. But one thing that I can say to each and every one, we all started on that level of being poor. But today we've been counted of one of those who are the millionaires in South Africa. Why? Because we never took this opportunity for granted. I took it and I ran with it. Somewhere, somehow I was playing. We all doing mistakes. But at the end of the day, it's, are you looking at your mistake or are you looking beyond your mistakes? If you can look beyond your mistake, ungaqhubekela phambili, ungafika lapho ufuna ukuya khona. Okusalako ukuthi angeke siwele salam futhi siyavuka siyithintithe sigijime siqhubekele phambili sazi ukuthi lapho siya khona sizofika. Siyabonga Dr.
You mentioned you guys were poor. You joined the business. You were given an opportunity. Mistakes were there. You rectified. You worked with your team, and look where you guys are today. Rinka nyaka go kwa from Ntate Masango. Business ye the way liberekang ka gona in partnership supporting mama. Ke eng tša dilo tše le gore le di dira so that le bone your day-to-day activities di tswelelela.
Okay. Ukuhlala phansi plan ukuthi namhlanje ukuthi kumele kwenziweni about the staff. You talk to the staff, you talk to the office ukuthi kudingakala yini into emele yenzeke. We have a meetings, sihlala nabo phansi, send the structure ukuthi sosebenza kanjani. And then to be very into emele yenzeke futhi ukuthi if isitoko sikhona kumele sibhekwe. Because mina most of the time I'm on floor, ngisebenza ngesitoko. And isitoko kumele sihlale sineat. Ukuseva ama managers on time. Ukuseva ama consultant on time. Into yenza ukuthi ibusiness ikhuphuke.
Wow. As Lashiwe distributors, what are your greatest achievements?
My greatest achievements is when I look back, the poverty, the surroundings. Now I am proud to serve my people in a right way. And I am proud to see myself giving to them also. And also giving hope to those who think maybe they won't make it.